The engine division is really where Waukesha Pearce was started back in 1924. Lewis Pearce Sr. introduced the first Waukesha gas engine into the oil and gas business at that time. And today the Waukesha gas engine is still one of our primary products.
Waukesha Pearce has been in business for almost 100 years now, specifically on Waukeshas. We put together 800 to 1,000 pieces and make a running engine. You get to hear it light off like a locomotive.
We work together. That's one of the most important things. Getting each project out on time, build properly, and test it so the customer will be satisfied.
Every engine's different, every customer's different. So, it's not just doing the same thing as an assembly line would do. We take pride in everything we do here, day in and day out.
The oil and gas business right now in North America is just going through an amazing renaissance. So to be in the middle of that industry with a fantastic portfolio of products, it's a real exciting time.
If someone's been a generator technician for 4 or 5 years and they decide, well, I want to go into becoming a emissions technician, then that door is open for them. We provide both the experience and the training necessary for you to become a technician or a manager and be able to perform at the top of the industry standard.
This is a place to grow. This is a place to grow. And coming from the person who started at the bottom and now a Class B technician, I really get recognized for the hard work that I do here. And there's great benefits, great health care.
It's like working for a family. We all work together, and I enjoy coming to work.
They put together a safe work environment. They do their best to keep you up to date with a modern facility.
A large company, a 90-year history, very successful, but always looking for new folks, new talent, new ideas, and that type of thing. So if that's what gets you excited, then absolutely you ought to take a look at WPI.